Join AAI for Immunology 2026 in Boston. Connect with a vibrant community of immunologists. Collaborate with peers and researchers, fellow AAI members, exhibitors, prospective authors, potential funders, and more. Advance your career by presenting and participating in career development sessions. Access the cutting-edge research presented at Immunology 2026. Engage in Boston with over 3,500 scientists and professionals from more than 40 countries, shaping the exciting fields of research in tumor immunology, mucosal immunology, vaccines and immunotherapy, human immunology, viral immunology, and so much more. We can't wait to see you for Immunology 2026 from April 15th to 19th.